description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got this. This is Fireball Carbonara stir-fried. It's like a Bulldog clone, and oddly enough, this was in the area where like Top Ramen, Marishon, Cup Noodles, stuff like that. Not in the ethnic section, which is really interesting. There was another one that was kind of like that too that I got. It was at a, what do you call it? Fred Meyer, which you might know as Kroger. How long do we do this? Isn't this 4 minutes? And we'll watch it boil a little bit. We're also going to see if we can do a squirrel sighting. It says you can add as much of the liquid as you want to make it as spicy as you want. And it's also making a lot of claims that it's so spicy your face will melt. So we will see. But here is the boiling noodle. And if I hear the plunk of a squirrel, I will give you the ability to see the squirrel. Today is October 22nd, 2025 still. And it's kind of a cloudy day. Pretty chill. Yeah. Yeah. And that's what we do. It's what we do. It's our way. Come on, squirrel. I'm ready for the plunk of the squirrel. I also want to drop this in and get that going. It won't modify the flavor. It's just a fish cake. It's gonna make it taste totally different, dude. You're totally not... No, not really. It'll absorb liquid like the noodles do, and it'll get bigger. And I like it when it does that. I think it's cool. Big old fish cake. It comes with a sachet of powder. Kind of doing it like the opening credits from Superman. And it also comes with sauce. I am not currently detecting a squirrel. So what I did is I put it on top the squirrel nut bowl on top of a milk crate. And so now they have to get up there. There's a bird. See a bird? Hey bird. Those nuts is too big. The Stellar Jays will come over and try to grab a nut and like fly off with it, but you know, they're kind of wacky. They don't care. Oh, I just missed the squirrel. That must have been Shirl or Burl. I don't know which one's bigger. I think Shirl might be bigger than Burl. I've done a lot of time-lapse videos of squirrels, ladies and gentlemen. I just like set up a recorder. Actually, the one you're watching the show on. Set it outside with a power bank and hit record. And I'll leave it out there for a long time. And then I cut out the dead space, and then we've got a whole bunch of squirrel footage. Why do I do that? I think it's neat. I think it's neat. I like the squirrels. It's really nice because they charge pet rent here. So we have 2 squirrels, and we have countless birds. And they just come on our patio, and we feed the birds and we feed the squirrels. So it's like, it's a lot less than pet rent. We've had dogs. That didn't work out so well. It's just too small. It's a 2-bedroom with 4 of us. So, yeah, someday. we will have larger digs. Oh, that's the bird again. Come on, squirrel. They want to see this. There's 2 birds. That's $100 right there. And you have to get approval. They're all exotic, so that you would have to get approval if you actually had them indoors. We don't want them to come indoors. I will say that. All right. So, key to this. My buddy Stumpy from North Little Rock used to always says, and this is key. Throw that in there. We need 8 spoons of water, which is just about there. That'll work. So you're like, what is that for? It's so funny. I've had people just like lose their freaking mind. Why, you ask? I will tell you. They lose their mind because it's like so bulldog, right? They don't want the bulldog to have any extra liquid because they think it's just gonna make everything horrible and it's just not cool. And there we go. Not my fault. It's the directions, yo. So I do what I am told. If you want, I'll just give you the spiel. If you want to make noodles the way you want to make them, enjoy. If you want to see me make noodles that are the directions that the company says, that's where I'm at. But if you want to cook them any way you want, I don't care. Go right for it. Everything I do, I try to do precisely to manufacturer specifications. Sometimes it doesn't work out as easily, but I keep it as like exact as I humanly can. Alright. Yeah, people will get mad about that 8 spoons. It's like, it's what it says. Well, they don't know. They're the company. I don't... if you don't like to cook it that way, then don't. That's fine. I have a different thing going on here, though. I'm reviewing. I review products from all sorts of companies, and to make it a level playing field, I prepare them as the company says I ought, and then I give it a try. So I'm stirring it. I'm going to give it a try. Oh, hi, squirrel. I have to be quick. Well, wasn't quick enough. But yeah, there is a lot of liquid. I will be the first to agree with that. Smells like a carbonara, Korean style, spicy. Let's give it a try. Here's the sauce. I really want to see how salty or spicy that is. So, I like it. I could eat it without breaking a sweat, I think. It's good. I'll use this bowl. I think, no, I'll go with my initial thought. Yeah. No. It's tricky because it's like the amount of stuff and the amount of space requires the right bowl or plate, and I'm gonna go with this one. I think this is probably the good choice. Yeah, I think that'll work. Got a fish cake. It's carbonara. We should go with a little bit of chashu, which I was gonna dice up and put in, but then I thought, no, it looks nicer when it's right on top. It'll get the egg treatment. Uh-oh. Now we got a problem. We're gonna be like, I'm gonna use this on the next one, because we're gonna have a battle for space with the fried egg I made. Let's torch it. Fireball! Got that. Our fried egg. Well, yeah, that sat too long. And our fried egg, boy. Whoa! I don't want you right there. I want you over there. My eggs are just revolting against me, I swear to God. It's the famous egg revolt of 2025. See the yolk? So what I'm gonna have to do is run some AI on that action and happy it up, because that just won't do looking like that. No, ma'am or sir, it's not going. I'm not into that. Little seed. God, guys, you like, why weren't you around when I was doing the videotaping earlier? And we're gonna use some pepper thread on top of this one for sure. I don't like it when it gets to the edge like that. There. Alright. So yeah, I'm gonna have to do a lot of post on this one, because as you can see, that egg did not behave. It came out really nice, and then all of a sudden, I'm looking over, and it's like the yolk burst. So all I gotta do is there's a little box around it, and then click a button, and it'll become uniform again. Yeah. Well, thanks for watching. Let's see if we can get a shot of this squirrel. There's a squirrel. Ah! Well, we'll try again on the next episode so you can see a live squirrel live. The next one you're gonna see is this. It's a new packaging. This is Paldo Pocomen, and this is a chicken jalapeno type of deal. It's really good. It used to have chicken in it, and I'll tell you a little story about it on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Rater wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.